Hello guys, welcome back. So today is the 16th of November 2025 and this was the trade I took yesterday, the 15th of November, right? So as you can see that we're already floating on profit, right? So Bitcoin or BTC USDT sell is -7 and Ethereum buy 8 plus $47, as you can see, right? So I took the trade, this exact trade yesterday. You can go back to check the yesterday's video when I took the trade here, right? So this is exactly how I trade. This is exactly how you should trade and how I encourage you to trade, right? First of all, when I was taking the trade yesterday, I do say it many times, right? I was not particularly buying or selling any of this. Like, I was not selling because I wanted to be minus. I didn't buy it because I wanted to be plus 48. At the time of taking this trade, I was not interested on which of these pairs will give me profit. Okay, let me say that again. Maybe you don't understand. When I took the sell of BTC USD and Ethereum USD yesterday, I was not saying that Ethereum was the one that's going to give me the profit, the 48 profit. Neither did I say Bitcoin is going to give me the -2.32, right? I didn't know at the time. I did not know which of this crypto market is going to give me the negative or the positive. What I'm interested or what I was interested was the overall profit, right? The net profit. That is, after doing the plus and minus, I'll still be on profit, right? So this is what I just want to show or let you know, right? So imagine if I don't know, or if you don't know which of them to buy and which of them to sell, you will be on negative by now, because you must have sold the one that you should have bought and bought the one that you should have sold, right? So the proper understanding of this approach really matters a lot, right? It is very important that you need to understand the basis of this. You need to understand which of them to buy and which of them to sell. You need to know the proper lot size you need to use to be able to trade effectively. You need to know this. Remember, this approach is not predictive in nature, right? I don't care about this graph that you're seeing, so I can more do away with the graph, the candlestick rather. I use a line chart, right? So it's a line chart that I'm more focused on, right? So that is how this thing works. I don't use a candlestick chart, I use a line chart, right? So what you're seeing here, you can see that both sides are on profit, right? This is a type, right? This is a type of profit that you can get as in this approach, right? You can get profit, positive on both sides, right? Just as in this case, right? So the setup, but every setup, it's always we expect net profit to be either profit or profit and negative, but it's not left for the trade to do whatever he wants to do and give us a net profit. That is what we are more concerned about, right? So your proper understanding of this thing really matters if you want to trade this way. And this is how you should trade. Like I said, this is how you should spend or trade your money, right? This is how you should be confident. You can see how confident I was yesterday, and I told you in the video that I'm very confident taking the trade, right? Following the system, following the process, following the strategy, following every single thing, right? You sure be on profit. This trade, in best trading, we don't trade every day. We don't trade every single day, right? We don't trade every 2 weeks. Once we spot an opportunity, that is when we are taking the trade, right? So it's not a get rich quick approach. It's an investment approach. So if you want to trade with this method, you have to put it in your mind, at the back of your mind, that I will not be trading every day. You have to put it at the back of your mind that the profit that you'll be getting might be small, right? But consistency consistency and gathering little profit over time is going to make you money, right? It's going to make you profitable in the overall. Like I said, the system is safe so long as you follow the principle, they lay down rules that is in the course, right? So the course is there for you if you want to learn. The course is in twofold. Like I said, you can decide to get a video course, which is for some persons, depending on their time, is better, right? You can decide to get the course, the video course, or you can decide to meet me one-on-one, right? If you are the type of person that likes questions, or you like the present, to be learning while somebody is speaking to you, you can also you can subscribe for that program or that course, right? So you can either get the course, the video course, or one-on-one class with me, right? So I'll be closing anytime from now because the system says I should close. So I just say, let me show you guys the trade. Let me show you guys the trade before I close, right? So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, or you like what you're seeing, you like what you're hearing, you can do well to subscribe now to this channel, right? So thank you for every one of you who have subscribed. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. For you who are thinking of giving up in trading, there is still hope and there is still light at the end of the tunnel. So give this a chance and you will be happy you do. So until next time, once I spot another opportunity, I will let you know.